Hello, all. Welcome back to our channel, DevOps Tech World. Today, I'm going to share with you all about how to become an AWS community builder. I have chosen this topic to share with you all. Why? Because some of my friend circle, they're asking about how to become a community builder, as well as from LinkedIn community, as well as from some of the friend circle. They asked about what are the steps we need to follow to become a community builder. Okay, before get into this, I just want to uh, discuss about generally any technology which we are going to learn. There are a lot of uh, ways to learn, and also there are many ways can follow to learn these technologies, any technologies. Like few ways, like you can learn it from internet, you can learn it from videos, you can learn it from forums, you can learn it from meetups, from online meetups or offline meetups, and also uh, from books. There are many ways. So everyone can use their own comfortable areas, and they can choose their own platform to learn these technologies. Okay. So currently, the one of the best way to learn, and also they can learn more information from videos as well as from that internet. And once you learn these things, you have also option to go ahead and you can meet the people to learn many things from uh, during the meetups. So that is how I am just going to tell you about the one of the other best way to learn when you are started your career, as well as for your starting when you start anything, means starting stage. One of the best way to learn the things is that you just go ahead and attend some online, means offline meetups. uh, that is one of the best way to learn, to interact with these people face to face and get the things done. So why I'm saying this, go and attend offline meetups. See, when you learn from your own, like videos, or maybe from internet, or maybe from forum, or maybe from books, or maybe from your friend circle, whatever it may be. So this is one of the part you can learn the only one way, like you can learn from your side, and nobody is there to give any feedback, or maybe to solve your doubts when you are learning it. So when you go for offline meetups, so this why I'm saying this offline meetups. So offline meetups is the opportunity. You can talk to people, you can interact with the people, you can meet face to face, and you can, if you want to ask questions, you can uh, ask directly, and also you can get whatever the doubts, whatever the clarification, if you there, you can easily clarify it. And also you can get the uh, personal bond with the people which you are going to talk about. And also you will, one of the another way is that you can grow your network in a good manner. So whenever if you have any doubts in future, also you can contact that people with the peer members, and you can get clarify your doubts. That is the reason I'm saying that this is one of the way to learn. This is one of the best way to learn for the starters. Whatever, maybe it's not only for that starters, as well as for the starting age, or maybe with the freshers. Nothing like that. Anyone can go, and um, you can learn it from the like-minded people. Okay. So that is the reason I just suggesting, like for the offline meetup is very good platform to learn it, and also can grow your network. That is how I, few years back, I started to attend offline meetups, and interact with the people, and get to understand my doubts, as well as for that my whatever the thoughts which I am thinking, means whatever the thoughts which I have, and share with my thoughts with the fellow members, and get the feedback. So how to improve all those things. This is the way. I personally believe that so it is improved a lot. So that is the reason I am just suggesting as well as for guiding you people as well. You please go ahead and attend for the offline meetups. This is one of the best way and best medium to learn these new technologies and stay up to date. So I want to share. Okay, so as I said earlier, so how to become a community builder. Okay, so I feel that, and also I would say that there is no criteria, like there is no syllabus and there is no format and there is no procedure to become to follow, and you will be become a community builder. Okay, so the only thing is that so you have to be passionate about to learning the things and sharing the things to the community. This is the only skill you want to become a community builder. Okay, so you have the passion to learn and you have passion to share your knowledge. That's enough. To this is the, so purely enough to do your details, so that the program will be conduct means reviewed based on that, and you will be selected on based on the learnings as well as for the sharing which sharing to the community. Let me let me tell you about what I followed, and with the example, so that you will understand really so I have how I am doing it and how I am learning and sharing the things to the community to become a community builder. Okay, so if you see my profile, okay, so I when I have this industry experience. So I thought that okay, let me share the things whatever I learn. So in that thought, maybe I planned to share my knowledge. So for that, I have decided, okay, so which way we need to share my knowledge. So what are the mediums I can take it to forward to share this, whatever I learned to the community. So from that way, I thought that these are the mediums, right? These are the platform which I've chosen to do to share my knowledge to that community, whatever the learning which I learned. Okay. So one of the thing is that LinkedIn and Twitter, GitHub, Medium, and for mentorship as well as for the YouTube. Okay. So these are the medium. These are the platform which I use to share my learnings, to share my knowledge, to share my guidance to the community fellow members, and for the uh, to the people which who are going to learn it, and it will be beneficial. The this is the way. These are the mediums I'm using it to share my knowledge. Okay. So one the thing is that as I told earlier, the LinkedIn, one of the uh, channels which I'm using to share whatever the if you want to share some of the things like the small ideas as well as for the one which you learned small anything which you want to share, you can share it via LinkedIn, and also you can share it via Twitter, right? So if you see LinkedIn, I just share my thoughts like so whatever I'm learning it, I'm just you can post you can use the post command, and you can share your stuffs whatever you learn, something like the whatever the things which you have learned, you see here, these are the community, and what are the session you have learned, what are the things in the current industry, current market, and wherever the meetups is there, you can get to know the people to understand what is going on around the world and what is going on around you, to learn the things, and so you can inform these things so that people will aware of whatever the data which you are posting it, and it will get spread over and people will aware and they will go and learn from that forums. So this is one of the things, and for and similarly for The Twitter is the one of the medium which I'm using it. I'm I'm just follow this. I'm just using this Twitter also. I'm posting my some of the comments to share my knowledge. And for GitHubs, like whatever the project which I'm using it, I am just posting into that GitHub profile, and whatever is there, whatever the project which I'm doing daily basis or day-to-day basis, the exercise POCs and for my assignment, I'll keep everything here so that whoever is willing or whoever want to learn the things, they can go ahead and get it from here and they can learn it. And another way is that Medium. So also I am posting my content. Okay, so if I post, if I want to share my knowledge like the DevOps, cloud, architectures and diagrams, and also for the any use cases, any POCs, these are the one of these are some of the things which I'm using to share my knowledge to the people. So they can read it from the Medium blog as well, and they can get the things done from that forums. And other thing is that I'm using for TopMate profile for sharing my one-to-one mentorship. I'm getting a lot of calls from this mentorship program as well every day. Whenever I'm getting booked by the people and I'll talk to the people there, I can clarify whatever the doubts which they have. Also, I can share it, whatever the thoughts I have, whatever the questions they are asked, like uh, resume preparation, how to crack the interviews, what technology we have to learn, what are the DevOps and technology current trends, and for resume review. So there are a lot of mentorship program which is already there. People will be getting benefit whatever they want, and they are booking on it. Accordingly, I can guide them to get the knowledge done. And also YouTube channel. So I have this YouTube channel. So I am sharing my thoughts as well as the things which I learned, like from the technology perspective, from the application perspective, from the architecture perspective, from the cloud technologies as well as for the DevOps technologies, and also from for any guidance and for the technology trends. So whatever is there day to day, daily basis, whatever the challenges which I'm facing it, and also the career roadmap as well as for the whatever the tools and technologies and learning path. Also for the book, also what are the things, syllabus and other like what are the course recommendation. So many things like these are the things like whatever is there, whatever the learning which I'm doing a day-to-day basis, I'm just sharing via from that YouTube channel as well. So I am just this is the only channel, this is the only platform I'm using it to share my knowledge. I'm just not focusing about to become I need to become I want to become a community builder, or maybe to recognized or other things like okay to get the things done, not like that. So I'm just the passionate about learning the things and the passionate about sharing the things, just like learning and sharing. So this is the one of the just simple. Okay, learning and sharing. That's it. So apart from that, I don't want. I didn't like. Okay, so this is the way I need to follow to become an community builder. This is the way I need to follow to get the audience. It's not like that. So I'm just whatever I learn. I'm just sharing my the skills, sharing my knowledge to these platforms to take this forward to that audience. Okay, so that's all from my end, and you can go through my the channel which I'm using it, and you can also the whatever the content which I posted already, try to use that. And if you have anything, like if you need anything else, and you can also reach out me. I am there in that, okay, LinkedIn, so you can ping whenever if you want, so that we can talk to, we will get into the discussion, and we will clarify if you have any concern or any doubts. Okay, so that's it today. And if you need anything else, just give your comments, so that we will take it forward, and we will discuss furthermore. And also, as I said, you can contact via LinkedIn. You can, from that, you can ping it via LinkedIn. We can further discussion. Maybe we can do the discussion further. Also, you can, if you want to use this channel, any channel you want to me, you want to reach out to me. I will happy to help you out. Uh, all the very best. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you the next video. Thank you.